Hey guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I'm going to install this LED headlight from Puig. It's called the Lumen R, and when I bought the light it was advertised to mount directly to the Interceptor 650. I'm not sure if it's going to be that easy, but we're going to find out. First I'm going to remove the two screws that hold the ring on the headlight. Once you get the two screws out, you can pull out on the bottom of the light and then lift up just a little bit and it'll come right out. Go ahead and disconnect the headlight plugs, that way it's not hanging by the wires. Before I go any further, I can already tell that this headlight is too wide for the stock headlight brackets, but I think I've got an idea. So I want to try something. I'm wondering if I can get this headlight out of the housing, will it fit in the stock headlight housing? I ended up getting an OEM housing in black a few months ago, and I wouldn't mind using this if I could. First, I'm going to remove the mounting bolts. Next, I'm going to remove the two retaining screws on the side. Now to get the ring off, it's pretty tough, so I'm going to push from the back while I'm pulling really hard. And it comes right apart like that. Now we can remove the next retaining screws on the side. There's a nut on the inside of the retaining screws, and you've got to hold them so they don't spin. Once you get those out, you can hold this nut right here and loosen this screw all the way that's on the front. Once the nut comes off, there's a spring in the back. You can remove that, remove the screw, and it'll come apart like this. There's two last screws on the front we need to remove, right here and right here. And once you get those out, this will open up and the headlight comes out by itself. Now let's see if it fits in the OEM ring. And look at that. A perfect fit. Now we need to see if the OEM retaining clips for the headlight will work for this. So the stock retaining clips ended up working. They're in there pretty snug. The light's not rattling or shaking around, so I think we're good to go. The new headlight has the H4 connector on it, and it also has a power lead for the position light. If you come back to the bike, you've got your H4 connector, and these lower two wires are your ground and your power for the position or the pilot light. I'm going to cut this so I can extend it and put the connector on it that came with the light. So now I'll cut this connector off. And the yellow wire is going to be your power, and the black is ground. The new light only comes with a power lead, so I'm just going to tape the black off, and I'll put the connector on the power side. Now we can take the headlight and plug in the H4 connector. Then we'll plug in the position light. I'll get the retaining screws in it, and we'll see if this thing works. That's the position light with the low beam. And that's the position light with the high beam.